It was very funny. Very good. I'm thinking maybe, like, I just roleplay as a functional adult who talks normally. But I think that would be really difficult for me. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know if I can pull it off. I don't know if I can pull off having a consistent flow and stream of conscious that doesn't break out into random noises. Like, I like doing that. It's so fun. Sometimes you just gotta... Like, I can't not do that. I can't not do that. Sometimes it's just so fun. It's just so fun. Like, I don't know. And I don't even do that. I just did that for that.